Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's about Alexandrus, guys, and today I'm back again with another video. In today's video, guys, I have a meme coin which is the mother of all memes, and it is on Solana, so I hope that you'll stay till the end and watch the video because many of you have been requesting me to find some cool Solana meme coin, and well, I found one, so I think it's the best time to go ahead and give it a review, guys. So the project is called Sherex. Before we jump into the video, guys, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, we can dive right into it, guys. So first things first, they are a fully audited project, which is obviously pretty important. So if we go here, we can check out all the informations, we can check out the audit and all of that. From things that I wanted to also tell you regarding this audit and all that kind of stuff, you know, the security stuff. They have Certic audit incoming and they also have KYC incoming soon, so that's really nice. They also are working on a Launchpad platform that is coming after 1 month, and it will be something kinda like Pump Fun, but they will actually connect holders together with social platform on dApp, okay? So it's quite different, really cool approach. But well, before we get into all that utility stuff, let's go through the website. The token is also fully tradable on Radium, by the way, so I will show you how to purchase it. They are listed on CoinMarketCap also, which is great. So yeah, let's dive right into it. So about Sherex. Sherex is no ordinary meme coin. She's a force of nature on Solana. Born from chaos, crowned through fire, and fueled by community, she leads a new era of decentralized culture. With elegance, precision, and unstoppable momentum, Sherex unites degens, dreamers, and builders under one royal banner. Will you rise to her court or be left behind? You have their partners, obviously, the sites where they are listed, so they are on CoinGecko as well. And yeah, you have the contract address available on their SolScan or at the bottom of the website, by the way. So if you want, it's right here exactly. So that's that. Power of the Throne. Discover the sacred tools of Sherex, each built to grow, empower, and reign over the meme world. So yeah, Launchpad, guys. Launch meme coins the royal way, fast, fair, and fully on Solana. So this is what I was telling you about just seconds ago. Something like Pump.Fun, but they will, you know, connect the holders together with social platforms. It will be better than Pump.Fun from my understanding. DAO governance, which obviously is something that, if you watch my channel, you guys know that I always appreciate when projects are DAO governed, because the community has a voice in what is upcoming for the project. You'll be able to vote. As you can see, let the people vote. Royal decisions belong to Sherex holders, and that makes absolutely sense because, you know, at the end of the day, holders are the ones that are pushing the project forward, so it will be community based, right? And speaking of community, they also have those community quests: level up, earn XP, and gain rank in the kingdom via Zilli style quests. Really cool as well, and nice to see that they are working on rewarding the community for being active, for doing some tasks, for helping the project grow. So we have the tokenomics here, really fair tokenomics, by the way. I like them quite a lot, so we will go and discover them together here. So they have 5% for burn reserve, so that's cool, you know, symbolic weekly burns. I mean, it's nice to see that they are, you know, doing those kind of events and obviously decreasing the supply while doing that, which is great. 20% is the initial LP, guys. 20% is for marketing and influencers, for listing, call drops, meme campaigns, and all of that. Then 15% is for migration allocation, so it's reserved for BSC token holders after form validation. 15% for ecosystem and rewards, so different airdrops, different quests, different contests, meme creation awards. And then 15% is for team and dev, and it is fully vested, as you can see, and fully locked for 6 months. And then after those 6 months, they have linear vesting over 12 months. Obviously, these guys are here for the long term. 10% for community treasury, DAO votes, future burns, or incentive programs. Very straightforward, and these are, you know, tokenomics that actually make sense in a meme coin, because there is a lot of meme coins that like take some crazy parts for the team and advisory, and they don't deliver anything in exchange, and these guys actually have a really good spread out of their tokens, and yeah, I just wanted to appreciate this thing here. The Queen's Path. So this is essentially a roadmap. As you can see, phase 1, the exodus from BNB. I left behind the noise. Now I build the throne. So BNB launch complete. First meme army formed. Cross-chain migration plan initiated. Phase 2 Solana Ascension, deployment on Solana, Phantom and Radium integration, website and lore activation. Then Phase 3 is the meme arena opens, meme coin launcher beta and DAO proposal via snapshot. Phase 4 crown of the chain, no king, no god, only the queen. So centralized exchange listings, meme tournaments and DAO voting activated, as you can see. Phase 5, the eternal reign, meme to earn quests, buy-ins as well, so maybe they will, you know, do different buybacks and burn potentially. That would be really great, but we will see how they have planned it out. And throne expansion. So these are the 5 phases, 5 stages that they currently have in plans. Then you have information how to buy. Currently you can buy through Radium. I also wanted to appreciate their pre-sale, which sold out, as you can see, fully, 218 Sol. So yeah, that's nice to see that they had really successful pre-sale. Obviously it shows you that the community here in the project is really engaged. So by the way, as I said, you can purchase on Radium, and as you can see, that's how much QSHX or Sherex you can get with your 1 Solana coin. So yeah, it's currently performing quite well, honestly, and look at the market cap, which is only $800,000, guys. So for a meme coin, this is really small market cap, so maybe you guys will appreciate me showing you potentially a small market cap gem. We will obviously see how things develop here, but yeah, it's great that it's still early to the game, guys. And yeah, I have been informed that the Certic is ongoing, so it's also, you know, another bullish factor. If the Certic audit will be fully released and if the KYC will be fully released, it could also drive some more investors into Sherex. But they already have well-established community, as you can see. They have 12,000 followers on their Twitter, guys. They have 4,000 subscribers on the Telegram. Over 559 posts, guys. So if you want to stay updated with all the things happening within Sherex, you should definitely join their Twitter page. It will be down below in the description of this video, guys. That's how you can get most information out of the project. That's how you can participate in all the contests, and well, that's how you can be aware of all the AMAs and stuff. And as you can see, guys, they have already returned 8x returns for their pre-sale investors. So you know, the project is doing pretty well, and it is really having a lot of potential to do even better than that. Fully tradable in Radium, guys. You can join the kingdom if you want, and you can also let me know what you think about Sherex. You have all the informations here. Some small FAQ, and obviously they will be updating the website, they will be adding more features, they will be working on the Launchpad, on the DAO and all that good stuff. So honestly, this looks pretty promising. I'm happy to see your opinions down below in the comment section of this video, guys. I will be replying to you as always. And yeah, I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe, and see you guys in the next videos coming out soon.